Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss Redis versus Valkey. Okay, so Redis is gonna be like licensed, so the people are going to move to the Valkey. So let's take a quick performance differences and the comparisons. Which one is the best? Okay, so in the March 2024, Redis changed its license from BSD3 to RASLv2, restricting cloud providers. So the Linux Foundation, backed by AWS, Google, and the Oracle, immediately forked the project as Valkey under the original BSD3 license. By 2026, Valkey 8.x has diverged significantly in performance and the memory efficiency. So let's take a look like what is Valkey. So if I go Valkey, so here you can see that Velke is there, right? If you go with the repo, it has 25.3k stars. So that means pretty much good. So everybody is using. So try this one because Redis is gonna be like licensed, right? So, okay, the next one, the benchmarks. Here you can see Valkey 8 has 1.119 m RPS. Redis 8 has this kind of RPS, right? And 8.1 has this, and 8.2 Redis has this one. So throughput on the AWS is like this. Okay, let's take an example feature comparison of both. That is licensed. So it is licensed under this one, and it is under this license. Governance, Redis, INC, and it is Linux Foundation. Peak throughput is 860 RPS and it's pretty much good, right? Memory efficiency is higher, 10 GB, it's lower, okay? Threading, it's manual config, it's dynamic async. JSON vector and the search built-in, partial roadmap. Time series built-in, not available. AWS Elastic Cache cost, that is standard, cheaper. Client compatibility, all clients, full REST compact, enterprise SLA, Redis support, and the cloud providers only. Okay, so these are the migration. If you want to migrate from the Redis to Valkey, so it's very pretty much easy to migrate, right? So these are the steps where you can just go ahead. When to use what? So choose Redis if need native JSON vector time series. Building AI cinematic search apps require enterprise SLA support. AGL PLv3 is acceptable. Choose Valkey if want true open source. Basically, it's totally open source, right? High concurrency multi-core loads. Memory or the cloud cost matters. On AWS, GCP saves 20 to 30%. So decide and try this and do let me know in the comment section. Do you ever know about the Velki? So let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.